Alright, so you want to get into woodworking but you're not sure where to start? I've been there. Let's break it down so you don't get overwhelmed, or broke, buying tools you don't need. First up, you really don't need a shop full of fancy gear. Start with the basics. A circular saw, a drill, a jigsaw, a tape measure, and a sander. That's it. Seriously, you can build almost anything with those. If you can swing it, get a good set of clamps too. Trust me, you never have enough clamps. Now let's talk safety. Before anything else, always wear your safety glasses and ear protection. Woodworking is fun, but only if you keep all your fingers and can hear your favorite tunes while you work. Alright, tools sorted. But how do you decide what to make, especially if you want to sell your work? Here's my quick tip. Look around your own home. What's missing? What needs organizing? Those simple solutions like shelves, small tables, or storage boxes are always in demand. You don't have to reinvent the wheel to turn a profit. Check out local markets, browse Etsy, and see what's selling. Custom signs, cutting boards, planter boxes. These are great beginner projects that people love to buy. And here's the secret. Add your own twist. Maybe it's a unique finish, a cool handle, or a custom engraving. That's what makes your work stand out and keeps customers coming back. So start small, keep it simple, and most importantly, have fun with it. You'll be surprised how fast your skills and ideas grow once you get started. Good luck and happy woodworking!